In this video, we are going to see how we can use BigQuery's Radium Launchpad API to track newly created pools on Launchpad. Launchpad is just like PomFun. You can launch your own meme coins from Radium Launchpad now. I will add the API link in the description. You guys can test it out on id.bitquery.io. By just signing up on IDE, you will get free 10,000 points for testing for the first month. So let's get started. Select EAP here, as Solana is in EAP right now. Then select Solana. Then select instructions, and under instructions there's a where keyword. In where we will put our filters. So we are getting all the instruction methods available in Launchpad program right now, so that we can figure out which method is responsible for creating pools. So select in here instruction, program, address is, and put here Launchpad address. Then select the fields we need. We will select instruction, program, method, and then here put count. Count will group the calls to a method and give us the count of the number of calls. Now run this query and you will see all the methods. So Radium Launchpad has initialize method, sell exact in, trade event, buy exact in, and pool created event. I can see that this is the method which I need to track the newly created pools on Radium Launchpad. I will use this in my API. Now select Solana, then instructions, then in where we will put our filters. Select instruction, program address is, launchpad address, then select method is, and put here pool create event. We will be tracking this particular method on Radium Launchpad program. Now select here transaction result success true. We only need to track the successful creations. Now select the fields we need. I'll select block time. You can select all of the fields if you want. Then select instruction details. Under instruction details, select accounts, address, is writable, token, mint, owner, program ID. Let's say select program, select account names, address, arguments, name, type, value. Under value, select all of the values because argument can be of any type: big integer, hex, float, bool, string, or integer. Now select the name and method. Then select the transaction, signature, and let's select signer also. You can add the limit count 10 to limit the responses to 10, and then also add the order by descending block time field. So this will arrange the response in descending order of their block time. Now I have run this query and I can see the block time, an account address, and also the arguments here. The arguments can give you the details of metadata for the token created, also the curve details, and also total locked amount or cliff period or unlock period. And now you can change this query to subscription. And if you click this run query, it will run in real time. So you can track the real time token launches on Radium Launchpad. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.